How to make extra money online fast. Guys, my name is James Bill, and I want to share something with you. About little less than 6 months ago, I was at a deadbeat job, getting up early every morning and going to a place that I dreaded going to, having someone tell me what to do that didn't even know what they were doing themselves. But I had to just, suck it up, take it, and do the job, to provide for my family. Uh, but I found a mentor that showed me the secret that changed my life, guys, and I want to share that with you. Now, 6 months forward, I want to share this video. Here's me and my wife. We're out house hunting, looking for a home. I started out on here looking to make at least an extra $500 to $1,000 a week. Excuse me, even a month, But I ended up making like $10,000 within the last 30 days, guys, and I want to share that with you. Well, go ahead and take a look at the video, and at the end of this video, go ahead and click and subscribe to my page, because I'm going to have more great strategies, tips, and information coming your way. So go ahead and be sure you click on that, and go ahead and click to the next link, and we'll get some information to you. Thank you. God bless.
Oh, it's warm in here. Oh man, I kind of like this.
Oh yeah, yeah.